Guys, today I'm gonna show you. I got that trouble with this fan because when I on it, it's not working. It's like it's jam. It's not working at all. So let's try to fix this one up. So make sure you take the power cable off. So make sure you turn it off. Take the plug out, and we're gonna open it. Just pull this fan out. So it just take it out. It's gonna move this one. So just disassemble it. So I'm gonna disassemble it. I'm gonna got these two screws. So gonna remove these two screws to make access here. So I'm just gonna open these two screws. So I'll show you after that. So after opening this screw, these are the locks. So you have to open these locks. So just put a screw in to take the lock out and open. These bolts are the same. Just take this clip out and then out. This one off and then out. So we take this bit off and we got the motor here. So it's a bit jam. I'm gonna unscrew these two and then I'm gonna carry on. So after opening these two, gonna take this bit off. So we just simply take this out and just remove this one here. Let's put this back and we're just gonna clean this bit. Gonna use the sandpaper. It's 180 from the disc. So I'm just gonna sand it slightly. So after sanding, I'll show you. So after cleaning with the sandpaper, I'm gonna use this to clean it. So wait. So after cleaning this one, it's much clean now. So I'm just gonna clean this one from inside a little bit. So I'm just gonna clean a little bit. Then I'm gonna put this back. Gonna put this back as well. So I'm gonna just tighten and then I show you again. So after putting this back, tighten this screw. I'm gonna put this back as well. So just is lock in. Just push and it's locked. So just push it and that's all done. Okay, let me tighten these screws. So after doing this, I'm gonna put this back. So put this back. Gonna put the pin back to its place and hopefully it's gonna work. Let's try. Gonna plug it in now and let's try. Here we go. Start working. Hope you like the video. If you like, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.